Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you really quickly how to get into PebbleGo Next. So I'm already on the social studies page about the Pennsylvania scavenger hunt. I'm going to scroll down until I find the link that says click here to get on PebbleGo Next. Okay, and once that loads, you're probably going to end up at a page that looks like this. So you want to click on the white login button, and then you're going to get another mini screen that shows up that says capstone at the top. You want to click where it says a login with Google. So because you're already logged into Schoology, your credentials should already be set up that you can click login with Google, and then all you have to do next after this loads is click on your name. Once you've chosen your school account, you're going to be on the article for the scavenger hunt. So happy hunting.